Alright, so check it out. I'm in downtown Manhattan. As you'll see, this is Chambers Street, and I got a stuck bird in my place. That little guy over on the, oh, see, he's moving around. He's on the counter. So, now what do we do, right? I read up on it online, and apparently we've got to throw a towel over this little guy and take him outside. So, let's see how this works. Oh, fuck. Okay, he's trying. Oh, Jesus. Okay, he's down on the coffee table now. Alright. Come on, little guy. You gotta go out the window, eh? Okay. Okay, buddy. I'm glad that you can fly. He got out! I just totally saved that bird's life. Did you see that? I didn't even need the towel. Bye, little guy.